Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, January 26. Today we will do a practice called the Four Elements. This practice dates back over 2,500 years and provides a different lens through which you can examine the body. And I have to say, this practice may feel a little awkward at first because we have never done this before, and you may have not ever done it before. So just try to bring an open mind, the beginner's mind, and see what you can learn about yourself through the practice. Remember that mindfulness is about seeing clearly, and looking at things from a new perspective can often bring that clarity. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Close the eyes and bring your awareness to the places in the body where you experience contact, such as the feet on the floor, the hands on the lap, or the body sitting in the chair. We will begin with the element of earth or solid form. Without thinking too hard about what this means, openly examine where and how you can feel solidity in your body. The element of earth, solidity. This might be the structure of your skeleton, maybe the chair you're sitting on, any places of tension in the body, or the weight of your muscles as they relax, or maybe something else. Don't rush through these sensations or try to force them. When you feel the earth element in the body, stay with it for a few nice and deep breaths. Continue the seeking, recognizing, and feeling for the next minute or so. I'll be silent. Now shift your awareness to the water element. Tune into any sense of liquidity you can feel. For example, there may be moisture in the eyes, saliva in the mouth, or sweat on the body. Or maybe you can feel the flexibility of your muscles, the flow of your breath in and out, or even the pulsing of your blood. Once again, I'll be silent for the next minute or so, giving you space for connecting with your direct experience without the distraction of my voice. Now switch to the element of air or wind. An obvious place to start is the form of the body breathing. Where can you feel the air of the breath, the movement of the breath? You may also look for places in the body where you can feel empty spaces. Maybe the nostrils, the mouth, the ears. All of these can offer some insight into the air element. Stay with that for the next minute or so. I'll be silent again. And finally, bring your attention to heat or fire element in the body. This element is very open to interpretation, so look for yourself to see what it is you notice. Perhaps it's the temperature of the air touching your skin, or certain spots on the body that are warmer or cooler than others. Watch for any experience of temperature, either externally or internally. Stay with that for the next minute or so. And to wrap up this practice, spend a few moments in awareness of the body as a whole. As you breathe, feel all the four elements working together: earth, water, air, fire. Feel them working together to support and fuel your body. How do you experience that? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I know deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And then the next few days or weeks, or if you like this practice, months and years perhaps, I invite you to play with this practice more, to get familiar with it. You can also make it much quicker by picking just one of the 4 elements to focus on. For example, if you've been feeling especially anxious or scattered, the earth element can help ground you. If you're feeling stuck or stubborn, air or water will help you loosen things up. And if you've experienced any situation where you feel powerless, try connecting to the fire inside. Have fun with it. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.